In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install free app called Launcher OS 18. It has to be from Launcher Studio developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Now to set it up, hit Get Started. Tap on I agree to terms and conditions. And click on Continue twice. Following that, tap on While using and Allow in all available pop-ups. Then close and add. And adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also do that later on. When you're ready, hit Set as Default at the top. Click on iOS Launcher and wait. Then swipe up and hit OK. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Vivo. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to Launcher app, closing an ad, clicking on Set as Default at the top and hitting your current system launcher, in my case, system home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!